Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Flex showing your first payment as failed in one place but also saying thank you for your payment somewhere else? Here's what's actually happening and what you need to do right now. This conflicting status display is one of the most alarming things to see on a rent app. But it's almost always a screen refresh lag rather than a real double failure. First, force close the app completely from your recent apps. Then, reopen it and check your home screen. In most cases, it will resolve a single correct status after a clean reload. If the conflict is still showing, go to the transactions or payment history section inside the app to see whether the payment actually posted once or twice. Do not attempt to make a second manual payment until you've confirmed what actually happened in your transaction history. If the status still looks wrong after a fresh reload, tap Settings inside Flex, then contact us, and reach Flex support directly with a screenshot of both the statuses. Since this involves real money and rent, always escalate to support rather than guessing. So, all you've got to do is force close and reopen first. The status usually corrects itself. Check your transaction history before taking any action and contact Flex support if it's still conflicting. Subscribe.